Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So previously I uploaded a video called YouTube video downloader from Python using PyTube, and yeah, I am going to upload a tutorial of this, a full tutorial explaining all the codes. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and thank you for the 13 subscribers. So when you are starting a new YouTube channel, you are so curious about your subscribers that you want to check it again and again. So what you do is you go over and you just select YouTube, and then again go fetch your channel, and that takes a long time. So that's where Python comes. Python is originally developed for automating the boring stuff. So what I did is I've created a you know a program that does that for me. So you can see it is YouTube statistics shower or counter, and I've defaultly set my channel name, and the channel name is this channel. You can just type your channel in here, um, like this. You're on channel key, and you can just click to get details, and you can see the number of videos uploaded on this channel is 1, number of subscribers is 13, and views to the channel is 261. So it's glitching on the views, and I'm gonna change it after some time. I've not completed it fully, but the code is still in the GitHub. And if you want to check it out, you can check it out on the GitHub. I have the link in the description, and also my previous video, you can check it out. The link is in the description too. And I'm just gonna make another tutorial on this YouTube video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you this project that I built in like 1 hour of today, and I'm gonna build another project for tomorrow. And make sure to subscribe my channel to get notified. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.